In today's video, I'm going to be doing another designer nail set. So for my last designer nail set, so my last video, I literally drew what I wanted to do. So like when I was in my nail room, I was just like going. I knew exactly what I wanted to do. But for this one, when it was time for me to film, I had no idea. I just knew I wanted to do clear nails. So the design is kind of basic. It kind of reminds me of like the Y2K aesthetic. Usually a lot of it is pink, but it was just giving me that. So this is going to be like a quicker video. I tell a lie, I'm looking at 9 minutes. It's not going to be a quicker video, but it's just something simple. I'm doing the same method I do in like my last couple of videos, which is like the dual form, but with non-dual form. So using tips instead to like adhere the nail. Quick disclaimer, I changed my background for like half a set because I wanted to see what looked better, like the white backdrop or the glittery black, but I feel like it made no difference. I mean, the glittery black backdrop made my hands look really white so I changed it back to just like the white paper towel. A point that I wanted to add to my previous point before the whole backdrop story is that I am gonna start sculpting my nails, so actually building a nail instead of doing this easy way out. I just feel like easy is sometimes better, because the thing is, these adhere just the same as any sculpted nail, but I feel like not everybody wants to see this. Like some people actually want to see you form like a nail using builder gel or polygel or whatever it is. So I will start like doing that, but this method is just too easy, and it's like you haven't like sat there wasting 4 hours doing nails. You did it in one instead, you know. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting the MAKARTT clear polygel into the tip and then putting it on my fingernail, smoothing it out, getting rid of any seeping of the polygel, and then curing it. Some issues I was having with this is tiny bubbles appearing in the polygel. So I know if you overwork product, it can cause bubbles. So I was trying everything. So I was trying like to use minimal motion when smoothing it out into the tip, and it still wasn't working. But the end result isn't too bad. You don't really notice it. Like I'm looking at it right now and you can't really tell. So that's good. So if you have like little minor bubbles, chances are when you're done doing whatever it is, like whatever design you go for, you won't even notice it. So I've pretty much explained everything for this part, so I'll be back during the next part when... What is the next part actually? I think the next part is sticking the stickers on. So I'll be back to explain sticking some stickers on. But before I go, if you so happen to find this video from somewhere on the web and not because you're subscribed or you follow my channel, if you like the nails on my left hand, I have a video on those and I'm gonna put it up there somewhere, and I encourage you to go watch it because I'm very proud of that video. And the views it has is just so upsetting, but yeah, if you like it, go watch it. So this is what it looks like when everything is cured. I kind of wanted to stop here because I've been really wanting to do clear nails. I'm so sorry, I'm eating peanuts, but today's video is going to be like all over the place. I have mad scatterbrain. Just everything is just a lot right now. But I told myself, okay, I'm not going to stop here and just leave it clear because nobody wants to see that. I mean, somebody might, but my whole idea was to do my designer nails, so that's exactly what I was going to do. But what I was doing there was I was using my e-file to file around the cuticle area because sometimes the gel seeps out and it looks a mess. Then I'm going in with my buffer because I noticed after I cured it I had some scuffs. Like, not scuffs, but it looked weird, so I was like, I'm just gonna buff whatever it is off of my nail. So I'm going to be using these stickers that I got from Aliexpress. I have like a little video on it on my channel. It's literally like a 25-second video showing all of the stickers. In my last video, I told people, please, can you comment and tell me what to do next? But nobody left a comment. So I had to choose myself, but it's okay. And as you can see, as well as this voiceover being a hot mess, when I was doing my nails, I was also going through it because I stuck the sticker on upside down. And you know, you can see me just working, you can just see me just like not noticing it. I was sticking it on there, just, you know, just still going. And then I finally realized, oh, it's upside down. And I correct it. Then I look up and I see that I'm not recording. But that's basically it. That's just the design. I used those Gucci stickers. Well, which Gucci stickers? The whole thing is Gucci stickers. So I used the one that said Gucci, then the little heart, and then the actual symbol. And that is pretty much it. However, this video, like when I was filming it, it took me, I was just saying in the beginning, oh yeah, these type of nails don't take long. This took me quite some time because I was going back and forth, like showing my husband, like, I don't know if this looks okay. And he's like, try this sticker. And I'm like, I don't know. And he's like, try this sticker. And I'm like, I don't know. So something that should have took me like an hour max took me like 3 hours. So that is it for the design. Very basic, I know. But when I was looking down at them, I was like, maybe I should just like refilm this with a different design. Then I was like, no, but I've been sat here for hours. It's time to go cook. It's time to go do something else. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this off and then I'm gonna refilm like a different clear design and then I'll be back to showcase that. But the thing is, they actually like don't look bad. I just like look at my nails, like over examine them when I'm done and I just find every flaw. But when I'm watching it back, it's like, these are okay. Like, ain't nothing wrong with these. Just added a bit of cuticle oil there. Oh my gosh, the other day I literally poured half the cuticle oil onto my carpet. Well, not that you had to know about that, but see what I'm talking about, scatterbrain. I'm so glad this is a short video. But that's what it looks like. Again, very Y2K. I want to say cyber girl, but let me not say it until I've googled what that is specifically. But my next video is going to be 100 times better than this because I actually have it planned, like I've drawn it out and everything. But if you like this, like, comment and subscribe, and thanks for watching.